Welcome. Before we get into the video, small disclaimer, I am not a financial expert. The stock market is very risky, so enter at your own risk. Why invest in dividend stocks? So dividend stocks are essentially a portion of the company's earnings that they issue back to their shareholders as a form of thank you for holding the stock. For example, let's take a look at Capital One savings account. So if you were to open one up, the annual percentage yield would be 1.5%. Hypothetically speaking, let's say we had an initial investment of $3,000. So we would take that $3,000 and we would multiply it by 15%, 0.015, and we would get an annual return of $45. Now let's take that same $3,000 and let's invest it into AT&T. AT&T is what we call a Dividend Aristocrat, which means it continually not only paid but has also increased its dividend for a consecutive 25 years. So not only has it passed 25 years, but AT&T has actually increased its dividend and continuously paid its dividend for 35 years. Through recessions, depressions, AT&T has always been there and has always paid its dividend. So AT&T has an annualized payout of $2.08 per share, and they pay out quarterly. So that puts us at a profit of 52 cents per share per quarter that we are holding. So let's say with our $3,000 investment, we were able to purchase 96 shares of AT&T at $31.15. So we take the 96 shares that we currently own and we multiply it by 52 cents that we will be obtaining from holding our share as our dividend, and that gives us $49.42 quarterly from dividend income from holding 96 shares of AT&T. Now we can take that $49.42 and we can multiply it by 4, and we come to $199.68 for an annual dividend income, which this number is just ridiculous compared to the $45 that we would obtain from holding a savings account with Capital One at 1.5 APY. Now you ask, what do I do with the profits that I receive from my dividends? There's many different things you can do with these profits. You can take that $200 profit and you can reinvest it, and you can buy another 6 shares of AT&T. You can use that extra $200 to pay your bills, or you can use it to go out and buy a nice dinner, or you can use it to reinvest it into a different stock that also pays a dividend if that's what you want to do with it. Long story short, what I'm trying to express or show you here is pretty much just let your money work for you. By investing your money into a dividend paying stock, you can increase your annual return substantially. For example, AT&T, if we would have invested our $3,000 in AT&T rather than the savings account, we would have increased our annual return by 343%, from $45 to nearly $200. Easy. It is that part of the video where I would like to thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful at all, please comment down below and like and subscribe. Thank you for making it through this video. Catch you next time. Peace.